Every millionaire landlord started with one decision: to treat property like a business, not a dream. If you want freedom, wealth, and legacy, these 4 landlord rules will change your life forever. Subscribe now because success waits for no one. Rule 1: cash flow is power. Don't chase property for beauty, chase it for income. A property that pays you every month is not just real estate, it's financial freedom. Rule 2: respect your tenants. A smart landlord knows tenants are the heartbeat of your business. Treat them with fairness, and they will treat your dream with loyalty. Rule 3: invest in your assets. Never fear spending on your property. Every repair, every upgrade is not an expense, it's a step closer to long-term wealth. Rule 4: think big, think business. You are not just a landlord, you are a business owner. Keep records, plan growth, and multiply properties. That's how empires are built. Motivational push. Remember, cash flow, tenants, maintenance, and business mindset. Master these 4 rules, and you won't just own property, you'll own your future. If you believe in growth, if you believe in wealth, hit that subscribe button now, because your journey to becoming a successful landlord starts today.